In a world where automotive enthusiasts crave the ultimate in power, style, and exclusivity, one truck has emerged as the epitome of all these qualities, and now, it's about to have a very high-profile owner. The Apocalypse truck, a jaw-dropping, head-turning creation from Apocalypse Manufacturing, has become the talk of the automotive world, thanks to its brutal design and over-the-top customization options. But while the truck itself is certainly a showstopper, it's the mystery VIP buyer behind the wheel that has everyone on edge. So, who is the lucky individual getting their hands on this one-of-a-kind beast? Let's dive into the details and uncover the mystery. The Apocalypse truck is not your average pickup. It's a monstrous machine, built for those who want to make a statement wherever they go. With an armored exterior, reinforced chassis, and massive tires, this truck exudes raw power and presence. Its aggressive, post-apocalyptic design features a custom front grille, imposing fenders, and a profile that screams "look at me." But it's not just about its in-your-face looks. The Apocalypse truck comes with advanced tech, safety features, and the kind of luxury customization that ensures it's not only a spectacle but also a fully functional, top-tier vehicle. What really has everyone buzzing, though, is the identity of the buyer. Apocalypse Manufacturing has hinted that the lucky owner will be a VIP, someone with deep pockets and a love for truly unique vehicles. Rumors are swirling that the buyer is either a celebrity, influencer, or perhaps even a high-powered entrepreneur, but who exactly is the mystery buyer? This veil of secrecy has only added fuel to the fire, with automotive fans and the media speculating on every detail. What makes this reveal even more exciting is the exclusivity of the Apocalypse truck. This is not a mass-produced vehicle. Only a select few will ever have the opportunity to own one of these custom-made trucks, making it a true collector's item. The size and design alone make it impossible for the truck to blend in with the crowd. Wherever this vehicle goes, attention will follow, and the person behind the wheel is sure to be the center of that attention. The customization process is another factor that makes the Apocalypse truck so desirable. Buyers can choose from a wide variety of luxury upgrades, including bespoke interiors, specialized paint jobs, and cutting-edge technology. This is not just a truck, it's a tailored masterpiece, reflecting the exact tastes and preferences of its owner. It's a vehicle built to reflect a lifestyle, not just a mode of transportation. As the delivery of this incredible truck draws closer, fans are anxiously waiting for clues about who will be the recipient. Could it be a Hollywood superstar looking for a bold new ride? Or perhaps a tech mogul with a penchant for powerful, custom vehicles? Some are even speculating it could be an influencer eager to showcase their new acquisition to millions of followers. Whoever it is, one thing is for certain, they will never go unnoticed. The Apocalypse truck is more than just a vehicle, it's a statement on wheels, bold, powerful, and unmistakable. The mystery surrounding its VIP owner has only added to the excitement, and when the lucky individual finally takes delivery, they will be stepping into the spotlight in a way few vehicles ever allow. Who do you think the lucky buyer is? Will they reveal themselves soon, or continue to keep us guessing? One thing's for sure, the Apocalypse truck is about to become the talk of the town, and its new owner will undoubtedly make an unforgettable impression on the roads.